Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and this is Hena Talati. Following the revival of the southwest monsoon, there is heavy to very heavy rainfall in several parts of the country that has left 32 people dead in Mumbai, 3 in Gurgaon and 3 in Uttarakhand. Over 200 millimeters rain swamped Mumbai on Sunday morning, wrapping the city, and as many as 32 people lost their lives and 6 were injured in 5 separate rain-related incidents across the city. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued the highest level of red alert till Monday afternoon in Mumbai as heavy rains lashed the city throughout the Sunday. This heavy and torrential rain caused landslide in Mumbai, and at least 20 people have been died after they got trapped under the debris of their homes in Mumbai's Chembur and Vikhroli areas. The Mumbai city also faced power outages and water cuts due to the disruption caused by the continuous downpour. The heavy rains in Mumbai has caused waterlogging and the local train services is disrupted. The suburban trains on the Central Railway's main line as well as Harbour Line are also running behind their schedules. Due to the heavy overnight rains in Mumbai, the Vihar Lake there was overflowing on Sunday morning, which has the storage capacity of 27,698 million litres. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that there will be moderate to heavy rainfall or thunder showers in the city and suburbs, with the possibility of very heavy rainfall at few places. The Mumbai is under the red alert and city will experience heavy to very heavy rainfall for next 5 days. Mumbai recorded 235 millimeters rainfall in 24 hours until 8:30 am on Sunday. This has been the second time in 2 days Mumbai has been hit by the extreme weather events. The reason behind such extreme weather condition in Mumbai is the development of convective clouds as per the Indian meteorological officials. As per the meteorologists, the thunderstorm, which was described as a monstrous, was formed over the Raigad on late Saturday, has moved along the west coast reaching South Gujarat. Meanwhile, the heavy rainfall has lashed Delhi, and this heavy rain is battering Gurgaon too on Monday, flooding the low-lying areas and affecting the traffic movement in several areas. Delhi NCR received heavy rain on Monday morning, which has led to waterlogging in low-lying areas and affected the traffic movement in several areas. Delhi registered 70 millimeters rainfall in just 24 hours. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted that thunderstorm with the light to moderate intensity rain would occur over the adjoining areas of entire Delhi and NCR on Monday. The weather department has issued advisories suggesting slippery roads and a traffic disruption due to this heavy thunderstorm and rain, and also added that moderate to heavy spells of rain may cause occasional reduction in visibility and waterlogging may occur in the low-lying areas. The situation seemed to be particularly bad in Gurgaon, where rains flooded the roads, turning them into small rivers. After the heavy rain in the building collapsed in Gurgaon that left 2 dead, many vehicles were seen trapped on the roads as they got stuck due to the waterlogging. Moreover, after a cloudburst in Uttarakhand on Sunday night, 3 members of a family, including mother and a daughter, were killed and few other family members were missing. According to the officials, cloudburst took place over 2 adjacent villages in Uttarkashi district. Several rivers in Uttarakhand are overflowing due to 3 days of non-stop rain. This includes Ganga, Yamuna, Bhagirathi, Alaknanda, Mandakini, Pindar, Nandakini, Tons, Saryu, Gauri, Kali and Ramaganga, according to state emergency operations. The Indian Meteorological Department said rainfall activity is very likely to increase with the widespread rainfall to isolated heavy to very heavy showers over the western Himalayan regions, especially in Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan and Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand and adjoining northwest India, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP and North Madhya Pradesh this week. Isolated extremely heavy rainfall is also predicted over Uttarakhand and northwestern parts of UP today. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.